Okay, so on Twitter, there's a neat feature for you to add multiple accounts, and that's super helpful, especially if you are managing profiles for multiple businesses or organizations. It enables you to tweet from the TweetDeck app, and you can add images or video. You can schedule a tweet, which we will use today, and you will also be able to direct message. So if I am typing a tweet, and let me show this to you very quickly. This is the third tab on your worksheet. So I added a new tab, and I've never done this before, so I'm super excited about this. But it's Think Rural Calm, and it has the chat topics and dates, and then also this is the chat template. So I will change this color to a purple so you guys can know that this one is a new one. And this is something that you can copy and paste. So this is the tweet, or a sample tweet that you can paste 5 days before. You can paste this one 3 days before your chat. And then so think about this is Monday, or actually 5 days before, I guess that would be like Saturday or Sunday. And then 3 days before would be on Monday. But posting that, a few days before your chat, and you can post that with the hashtags. And then 3 days before, and then also you have the time like 15 minutes before. So, and I need to update these times, but just for the sake of today's video, these times will change because this rural chat starts at 8:30. So all you have to do is copy and paste this into the TweetDeck. So it says the Think Rural Calm chat is only 15 minutes away. Take some time to join us tonight at 8:30 and to retweet this invitation. So I am copying this, and I am also copying the hashtag. And I am going to TweetDeck, and TweetDeck can be used from an app, from on an iPad or Android or whatever you have. But also I like using it on the computer because you see these screens, you can have like 15 of these up at one time, and it's a great way for you to monitor a hashtag. So it says the Think Rural Calm chat is only 15 minutes away, and it also seamlessly pastes the hashtags, which were in a second cell. So as you can see right here, they were in a second cell, but I copied all of those, and it copied seamlessly. So it says that I can schedule the tweet, so I will click schedule tweet, and then when it comes to scheduling that tweet, I will, let's see if we can make that a little bit smaller. Okay, I will go to the 5th, which is going to be the time frame of chat. And I will have that at 7:40. Well, actually, for this one, they start at 8:30. So I will have that at 8:15. Oops, 8:15 p.m. And so I confirmed that here, and it says 8:15 Thursday the 5th of September, and it says ready to schedule, and I am. So I am going to tweet this at 8:15 on Thursday. So I am tweeting that at 8:15, so that should show up over here somewhere. So let's see. Hopefully it does soon. Maybe I can refresh. Oh, yay! There it is. Okay, so let's go back to the template. So this says 8 o'clock, so I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that here. The topic will change every week, so I am going to the chat topics and dates. So this one is focused on how social media can positively and negatively affect rural populations. So I will put that in parentheses. As you can see, it gives me a count as we go, and I'm getting into thin ice right now because I only have 15 characters left, but this is great. And also you can put a space in between, which is very, very, very helpful. And you see the hashtags. So we will tweet that at 8:30 p.m. Oops, 30 p.m. and I am ready to schedule, and so it will go out then. It will actually be a simpler way for you guys to do this, and so I'm super excited about making sure that you guys know how to facilitate your own Twitter chat, because who knows, you might work for a company or two that require you to do something innovative with social media, and this is a neat way for you to do so. So this is the last one I will schedule on screen, but I just wanted you guys to know how to do it, and it's an easy way to do so. One thing I will tell you is if you if you guys want to, and just let me know if you do, you can actually post your questions on another tab, and you can actually have other people from the class. Um, like you can already have, if you have class during the time of the chat, you can go ahead and schedule your questions, and that's completely cool. And you can go in a little bit later after class and respond to them. But also, if there are other people in the class who have class at that time, just tell me if it would be helpful to see the questions ahead of time. So if I wanted to create just one more tab, and maybe this tab is this week's questions, and then maybe you guys just copy this and you paste them here, and then maybe you will, I think I pasted everything, we'll see. Thought I did. And maybe in this tab, you can actually schedule your answers as well. So that's super helpful to schedule your answers, because they all pasted. Because, at 7:45, you can go ahead and retweet that, and you will basically post A1 for answer one for this one and schedule that for like 8:03. So schedule it a minute afterward, but this is a simple way for you to do that. So let me know if you guys want to work ahead and participate without actually being there, so that can help as well. And I can know that you guys know how to schedule the tweets on social media. All right, guys, that's it. Hope you guys are having a good day. Please let me know if you have any questions. And I'm here for you guys, even late evening, early morning. Let me know, and I'm here for you guys to answer your questions. Have a good day, and don't forget to make a difference today on social media. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.